Heavy construction equipment used in concrete road construction. Excavator. In road construction projects, the excavator plays an essential role in digging, moving, and leveling soil, as well as other heavy materials. This machine is operated by a hydraulic system and consists of three main parts: boom, arm, and bucket. It can rotate 360 degrees, allowing for high efficiency in confined construction areas. Bulldozer. In road construction projects, the bulldozer is mainly used for clearing land by removing bushes, rocks, and obstacles while leveling the ground surface. It helps prepare a stable and even foundation before concrete work begins, significantly improving construction speed and efficiency. Hydraulic breaker. In road construction projects, the hydraulic breaker is used to break hard materials such as rocks, old concrete, and asphalt. Powered by strong hydraulic force, this equipment accelerates demolition and site clearing processes, making construction safer and more efficient compared to manual methods. Scraper. In road construction projects, the scraper is used for digging, carrying, and spreading large amounts of soil efficiently. It operates in a continuous cycle, cutting soil, transporting it to a designated area, unloading the material, and returning to repeat the process, making it highly effective for medium-distance earth moving. Wheel loader. In road construction projects, the wheel loader is used for loading, transporting, and distributing materials such as soil, sand, gravel, and asphalt into trucks or designated areas. It also assists in light grading work, helping prepare the site quickly and efficiently. Dump truck. In road construction projects, the dump truck is responsible for transporting heavy materials such as sand, gravel, soil, and asphalt. With its hydraulic lifting system, it can unload materials quickly, significantly increasing construction speed and productivity.
What is this dirty moonshine of which you speak?
Vibratory roller. The vibratory roller is used to compact soil and asphalt layers using strong vibrations from its steel drum. This process increases density, stability, and durability, making it a crucial machine in road and airport construction.
I'm so happy, lucky me. I just go my way, living every
Concrete mixer truck. The concrete mixer truck is essential for transporting ready mixed concrete from batching plants to construction sites. Its rotating drum keeps the concrete in a fluid and uniform state, preventing it from hardening during transportation and ensuring consistent quality. concrete paver. The concrete paver is an advanced machine used to spread, level, and compact fresh concrete automatically. It creates smooth, precise, and durable road surfaces capable of supporting heavy loads, making it ideal for modern road and industrial construction.